Women across the United States are increasingly worried about their financial security, a concern that has the potential to significantly impact the 2024 presidential election. These worries range from the rising cost of living to the adequacy of retirement income, and they are particularly pronounced among older women, who represent a substantial and influential voting bloc. Rising cost of living. According to a recent poll by AARP conducted in January, women aged 50 and above are particularly feeling the financial squeeze. The poll indicates that the majority of these women cite the rising cost of living as their primary concern. This group, which is the largest bloc of swing voters, is expressing a high level of anxiety about their financial future. Nearly half of the women surveyed, 48%, reported that their financial circumstances are not what they had expected at this stage in their lives. Furthermore, 54% of these women doubt they will have enough money to retire at their desired age. Margie Omero, a Democratic pollster and principal at the public opinion research and political strategy firm GBO, who worked on the AARP poll, notes that there is a widespread concern among these women that America's best days are behind us. Multigenerational financial concerns. The financial concerns of older women are not limited to their own situations. They are also deeply worried about the economic futures of their children and grandchildren. These worries encompass a range of issues including the burden of student loans, job market instability, and the rising costs of housing. Omero emphasizes that these multigenerational financial anxieties amplify the urgency of their concerns, as older women contemplate not just their own financial security, but also that of future generations. The gender pay gap and retirement income gap. One of the critical issues contributing to these financial worries is the persistent gender pay gap, which directly impacts retirement savings. Tyler Bond, research director at the National Institute on Retirement Security, NIRS, explains that the gender pay gap translates into a retirement income gap. Essentially, women earn less over their lifetimes compared to men, resulting in lower retirement savings. Recent NRS research reveals that 76% of women aged 25 and over believe that securing a comfortable retirement is becoming increasingly difficult. The main reasons cited for this are inflation and rising healthcare costs. Additionally, the decline of traditional pensions and the accumulation of personal debt further complicate the financial landscape for women. Policy changes women want to see. Given these financial pressures, women are looking to elected leaders for effective solutions. According to AARP survey, a substantial majority of women aged 50 and up, 84%, want lawmakers to provide more support for seniors and caregivers. This sentiment is echoed in the NRS survey, which found that 86% of women believe Congress should take immediate action to strengthen Social Security rather than delaying. Moreover, a significant portion of women, 81%, are concerned about long-term care costs and want the government to improve access to these services. Additionally, 82% of women advocate for making pensions available to all workers, reflecting a strong desire for more secure retirement income options. Feeling invisible. Many women feel that their voices are not being heard by policymakers. Omero highlights that during discussions, women frequently express feelings of invisibility and frustration that elected officials do not fully understand their daily financial struggles. This sentiment underscores the need for politicians to engage more deeply with women's financial issues and consider their perspectives when crafting policy. Political implications. The political implications of these financial concerns are substantial. AARP's poll reveals a nearly even split in support among women over 50, with 43% indicating they would vote for former President Donald Trump and 46% supporting President Joe Biden. This narrow division suggests that effectively addressing the financial worries of these women could be pivotal in swaying their votes. Given that older women are one of the largest and most reliable voter groups, their preferences and concerns are critical for candidates to consider. The role of financial security in the 2024 election. In conclusion, the financial insecurities of women, particularly older women, are set to play a pivotal role in the 2024 presidential election. Their concerns about the cost of living, retirement income, and broader economic stability reflect deep-seated issues that candidates must address. By prioritizing policies that support financial security for women, especially in terms of strengthening Social Security, providing access to pensions, and improving long-term care services, candidates can gain significant support from this influential voter demographic. As their voting preferences remain in flux, the coming months will be crucial for candidates to connect with and address the financial needs of women voters, ensuring that their voices are heard and their concerns are addressed. This engagement could be the determining factor in gaining the support of this critical voter bloc, potentially shaping the outcome of the 2024 presidential election.